How to buy or sell crypto on Lbank P2P trading. If you want to buy or sell crypto on Lbank, it is actually quite very simple for you to do so. All you have to do is first of all go ahead and then launch the Lbank app, and this is the interface you will see. If you want to buy crypto, let's say you want to simply open this drop down menu. Right there you'll find the option called buy crypto. So you could tap on buy crypto and you can select the crypto that you wish to buy. So you can select from USD to, let's say, Bitcoin. You want to buy Bitcoin. I will simply enter the amount of Bitcoin that I want to buy in the amount of money that I'm willing to spend. So simply enter the amount of money that you're willing to spend right here. And once you basically, let's say I want to buy $10,000 worth of Bitcoin, I'll select that. I can select my payment method and I can choose a merchant. Then I can tap the buy button. On the next page I can confirm the transaction after selecting my payment. Now let's say you want P2P, then you can also go to P2P option right here. Now here you can go to buy. You'll be able to see all the orders that other people have placed, and these are the ones that you can reply to once you've verified your KYC. At the same time, you can also choose to sell them using P2P trading by simply setting a certain order limit. That's all it takes for you to buy or sell crypto in Lbank P2P trading. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.